Breathe slowly. Inhale through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale through your mouth as if you were letting the whole day melt away. Now, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to understand anything. Just listen. As you listen to this voice, imagine there is a very high sky, above worries, above noise, above any rush, and your attention is gently drifting there, with ease. Once more, breathe in and let it go. Let your shoulders drop a little. Let your forehead soften. Let your jaw loosen as if the words could rest inside your mouth. Imagine that you are floating. There is no effort. It is like being carried by a warm, safe wind. You are in first person, seeing everything through your own eyes, but you don't have to control anything. You simply observe, and your body understands that it can switch off the vigilance. If any thought appears, that's okay. You don't fight it. You simply notice and let it pass, like a cloud crossing the sky and moving away. Breathe, and with every exhale, your body says a quiet yes to rest. You glide over a sea of golden clouds. The light comes from the side, soft, and everything looks fluffy and light. The clouds have volume, texture, and yet you pass through them as if moving through cotton made of light. There is a deep, comfortable silence, as if the whole world were far away. You are not running from anything. You are simply being carried to a place where your body remembers how it feels to be at peace. Breathe, and notice. The air here is clean. Your mind here becomes simple. Ahead of you there are enormous crystals, transparent and shining, reflecting the colors of an aurora, green, violet, deep blue. As you pass close to them, the light shifts, as if the sky were breathing with you. The glow is gentle on your eyes. It soothes you. Let this feeling sink in. A calm that does not depend on anything going right. A calm that exists on its own. If you notice your heartbeat, just notice it, and allow it to find its own rhythm. Now, with no rush, imagine that with each number, you sink deeper into comfort. 10. Your feet relax, even if they are not moving. 9. Your legs let go of any weight. 8. Your belly softens, holding nothing. 7. Your chest feels lighter. 6. Your shoulders loosen, as if someone took off a heavy backpack. 5. Your throat relaxes. 4. Your face unwinds. 3. Your forehead smooths out. 2. Your mind grows quiet, in the best way it can right now. 1. And you are just floating. You see floating islands, and from them waterfalls fall into infinity. The water turns into mist, and the mist becomes light. Everything is huge, but nothing is threatening. It is like watching a beautiful dream that doesn't need any explanation. You are safe. You are being guided along a path of calm beauty, and with every second, your mind learns, I can let go. I can rest. I can stay here. In the distance, there is a clear, silent temple on top of a stone pillar. It does not ask anything from you. You pass by it like passing by a good memory, and a part of your body recognizes this silence, a silence that heals because it does not pressure you. Here, you do not need to prove anything. You do not need to be productive. You do not need to be ready. You simply exist, and that is already enough. Now, let a simple sentence repeat inside you, in your own rhythm. I am doing fine. I am allowed to rest. I am safe now. And if your mind tries to speed up, you do not argue. You return to the breath, like coming back home. Inhale, exhale, a little longer. With every breath out, your body understands that the night is a friendly place. a place where nothing has to be solved. You rise above all the clouds, and suddenly the sky opens. Stars, distant galaxies, a sense of infinite space, and still, it feels cozy. You see the curve of the world below, as if everything were small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. And what once felt huge now seems far away. Allow yourself to feel, I don't have to carry everything right now. From here, you slowly descend into a soft place inside yourself, a place where sleep knows the way. This voice can drift further into the background, like a dim light at the end of a hallway, while you step into rest. If you fall asleep, that is perfect. If you simply relax, that is perfect too. Breathe. Let go. And allow your body to do what it already knows how to do. Switch off, slowly, and rest.